Howdy fellas, I learned something new the other day, that bluing existed before browning. Browning apparently did not come along until about 1800, and I was looking for something a little bit different on the Kibler Southern Mountain Rifle, and I'd seen videos on YouTube of using brass black on steel. So I had some brass black, so I decided that's what I was going to do. So I've left the butt plate, hope you can see that good, filed it, sanded it, and got it down as about where I wanted it. And then I hadn't finished it, so I wanted to show you the trigger guard after I put the brass black on it. And what I did, I put that brass black on there, and I let that stay on there about, a minute or so, and then wiped the excess off with a paper towel. Then I took a piece of steel wool and put some oil on it, ballast oil as a matter of fact, and wiped on it a little bit, and then I took the dry part of the steel wool and buffed it back just a little bit. So that gives me the look of a well-used but well-maintained rifle, and that's kind of what I was looking for. The guns that I bought from Tennessee Valley Muzzleloading, they were done in a similar fashion. Wasn't sure how they aged them, but apparently they must have used brass black or some type of iron blackening, steel blackening to do that. So that's the look I'm going to go for, and coming along slowly on the build, taking my time, try not to mess anything else up. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.